just to rewrite history, cause I'm in the mood to label us the leaders of the new school.
Le temps, c'est de l'argent. Le temps, c'est de l'argent. Êtes-vous d'accord avec ces bêtises ? Pour nous, le temps, c'est la vraie richesse.
There are 24 hours in every day, 60 minutes in an hour. That means you've got 1,440 minutes every single day that you're alive to make shit happen. Welcome to Tribeca. Hey, I'm Ryan.
What was that line?
How are you?
Very good.
So you have about 1,000 minutes every day to make shit happen. You know how long a minute is? Ready? Watch. You're bored. Some of you probably just clicked away because you couldn't last 5 fucking seconds. That's what this vlog is about. We're gonna talk about time, we're gonna talk about failures and how to get through your failures using the benefit of time, because we have a lot of time. You have 1,000 minutes, try counting that right now. Actually, don't watch this vlog because this is vlog 77. There's something you, me, and everyone watching this vlog has in common. And that's that time is our number one asset. And we only have 24 hours in any given day. So we've got those 24 hours. And those 24 hours are broken down into minutes. And those minutes equal to roughly 1,000, right? That's how I live my life. And I know we talk about time management a lot, but it's something that I'm uber focused on right now. Is what do I do with those 1,000 minutes I have every single day? Just like when I'm gambling, you lose a little bit, I'm gonna make it back. This is the way I think about the time. You take 5 minutes of my day from me, fuck you, I'm gonna get those 5 minutes back somewhere else. I'm gonna go pick it up. We thought we were gonna be stuck in traffic. Guess what? There's no cars in front of us. Show them. No cars. No cars. Yuri, how much time did we just save going to the office right now?
10 minutes.
We just saved 10 minutes. 10 minutes. That's 10 bonus minutes of my life. You need to start auditing your time. Audit your day. What are you wasting your time on? What did you just spend 30 minutes on? What did you just spend an hour on? I want to take hold of those 1,000 minutes and I want to do better with them. I want to milk them for all they're worth because I only have so much time on this earth and I only have so many blocks of 1,000 minutes at a time. That's why I have a driver. I got Yuri, and you watch this and you're like, oh, well, you sell all this real estate. You can afford this. I got Yuri and I got this car way before I could ever afford it. Hit them. We need more time. Just kidding. But I said, you know what? Having Yuri, having the car, not having to think about parking, having to think about transport and all that, I'm gonna budget that cost, even if I can't afford it. Take credit, I'll figure it all out, and it's going to give me more time. So all the time I could lose during a day in that 1,000-minute block, I'm not gonna make it up. And now look, we thought there was gonna be traffic. We just made up 10 minutes, right? Bonus time.
If you had to just wildly guess the amount of people that we have in this room, how many would you say we have?
63.
63 people. Perfect. Yeah. 63. You know what, Anna, you helped us out. Anna, pick somebody else, just at random, real quick.
This gentleman.
Which one? Right there? No, stay where you are. What is your name?
Ameka.
Ameka?
Ameka, yes.
Think about a year in the past where you felt enlightened.
Enlightened?
Yeah. Name the year out loud.
1997.
1997, so let's multiply that by 1997. Ryan, is that good?
You multiplied it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
so
sure.
far so good, right?
So far so good.
Okay, Ryan, pick somebody else. Whoever you know or you don't know, yell them out.
Whoever I know, I
Yeah.
don't know you.
Give me a year in the future where you feel like it's gonna happen.
2020.
There you go, man. 2020, very good. Let's multiply that by 2020. So far so good, Ryan?
So far so good.
Let's pick somebody else over there, maybe on the back of the room.
One question.
No, David, stay where you are. This is good, David. David!
Yes.
We got the year 2020. David,
Okay.
another magical experience that you had in your life. Give me an age.
18.
18. So we'll multiply that by 18. And just to randomize this, let's two-digit number. Any two-digit you want randomly, throw it in, type it in.
Two different numbers?
Yeah,
Doesn't matter.
Well, two-digit number. Randomly, yeah.
Okay.
Press equals.
Equals. Okay.
Right there, right?
Yeah.
Hold that right there for me.
Yep.
Can you tell me what does that say out loud?
73 million.
73 million.
19,000.
19,655. 655. Any idea what this is? That's interesting because if you think about it, right? Today is July 30th, 2019. I want you to look
that
right
is
now.
fucked up.
It is 6:55 p.m. Look at your phones right now. Come on, guys, keep it going. Let's hear it louder.
I don't get it.
So now I'm back in the office. It's just about 8 p.m. I just have to get some stuff done here. It's just gonna be better if I get it done here now than try to do it at home, which then might not happen and things happen. So this way I'll better prepare for my day tomorrow by just getting things done now. And that's a decision that I've made because I have the time now because I bought myself some time earlier. I just bought myself 10 minutes with Yuri. And you know what? Like, time is my currency. It is. Every day I wake up and I am rich with time. I've got a lot of time. So we've been talking about this entire thing. 1,000 minutes a day, I got 1,000 minutes tomorrow. Every day my bank fills back up. And that's also why people waste their time. Because they wake up tomorrow. My bank will be full again. I'll be rich tomorrow. Because it is the bank of time. And I am the CEO of that bank. And every day I wake up and I make the decisions about how I'm going to use that bank's currency. And I do not want to waste it. And I do not want to be frivolous with it. I want to spend it lavishly. I want to be excited about what I spend my time on because that's the currency that's going to keep on giving. How much money do you spend on things that you don't need? How much money do you spend on bullshit? You want to talk about how much money you make? Talk about how much money you spend. Switch your mindset. Don't wake up rich with money, wake up rich with time. And you'll feel that much happier. Think about it. Literally, write down right now. Take a piece of paper out. I want you to write it down. I am rich with time. Put it by your bed. Wake up tomorrow. I guarantee you, if you do this, it's gonna set your day off on such a good mood. You are the CEO of your own bank of time every day. I know it sounds weird, I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, start thinking about your day that way and it will change everything for you. You run your own bank of time and every day you wake up rich and every day your bank will replenish until one day it doesn't. So use your time wisely. The 1,000 minutes I had today, way better than the 1,000 minutes I had 10 years ago. Because 10 years ago I spent those 1,000 minutes preparing for who I was going to be today. For future me. Keep that in mind. You're the CEO of your own bank of time. I gotta get back to work. That's the end of the vlog.
J'espère que cette vidéo vous a plu et que vous allez commencer à optimiser votre temps dès maintenant.